For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. Hey guys, what is up? I know it's been really long, don't kill me. So I'm just gonna have to jump straight into this. As you guys know, my hair is natural. It was just blow dried. It was super stale. So I was like, let me do something really quick. I just wanted a super cute, super fun hairstyle to quickly go out. You can literally do this within 30 minutes, 45 tops. So as you see, I sectioned my hair into 3 pieces. So the back, I am just brushing down or smoothing down right now, and I'm securing it with a rubber band. Usually I would use a scrunchie, but child, I did not know where my scrunchies were, and I need to hurry up. So for this style, we're going to use either of the 3. You could pick your poison. Either the Got2b spritz or the bedhead hard head. Is it called hard head? I think so. I'm just going to double check and I'll put it in the description box. So I'm just spraying it with the Got2b a little bit, combing it through, blow drying it down. You guys know how the molding process goes already. Using a little bit of spritz, and then I'm going to brush that in. Now I'm gonna work on my middle part section. So with one half, I'm just gonna go in between my hair and layer it. Spray it with some spritz. Comb everything back. And guys, I know this is edited. I know this is like 3 times the speed, but I promise you, it doesn't take that long. You can really get this done at the start of when you're getting ready to go out. Tie it down, do your makeup, and then you're good to go. This is super quick, super fun, super cute. So once that section is molded to my liking, just secure it with another rubber band, and we're gonna start on the other side. I definitely do want to do another in-depth or updated, because it's been so long since I've been on here to show you guys how to mold hair, like a short little cute video on just molding hair. You guys understand that in order to get your hair flat, no matter what your texture is, it's sections. Even if you're not gonna use heat to stretch your hair, you're gonna get the flattest result doing sections. So once I molded it, I realized I was kind of a little off. So I just went in and cleaned up my part. I slicked my edges. I wasn't crazy about using this glaze, but I couldn't find my edge control. So this is the Africana braiding hair that I'm using to create the style. I love that braiding hair. It's super long, and literally one pack could like do your whole head. So, like I said, you're going to want to start, before you do your hair, your makeup, tie it down with your scarf. You see everything is smooth, slick, you're ready to go. So you're just going to take one bundle of that Africana braiding hair, and we're going to secure it to the back of the back, back of the back, back of the back. And we're going to go in and we're going to just do a braid. So as you can tell, by the way I'm holding my fingers, I'm making the braid super loose because I want it to be able to pull apart. So this way I can get that messy, avant-garde effect to it. So just braid it out to the end and secure it with another little rubber band. Now, as you can see, I'm just fluffing it a little bit before I actually style the braid. So I'm gonna come across from the back, cover my little bun, secure that with a bobby pin, and wrap it around my head and just see how I want it to be positioned. Once I'm comfortable with the position, like you saw, I just tucked under the end and I secured it with a bobby pin. And I'm just going in and using some prong pins to hold the braid in place. There you go. I'm just fluffing it, pulling it apart. I really don't like hair when it's like super together and like super perfect. I do love my hair, like my buns, my halo braids, to have some form of mess. And this is not my first halo braid tutorial. Up in the card up above, I'm gonna post my older halo braid tutorial, and this is my more updated one. So you can just leave it like that. Like I said, super cute, super fun, very quick, very easy. It's definitely a hairstyle that works for all hair types. If you have more of a kinkier curl pattern, definitely feel free to use Cuban twist hair, just something that matches your natural curl pattern. I think that would be super duper cute. But hold up, wait a minute, y'all thought I was finished. No. It just wouldn't be me if I didn't add something a little bit extra. So I just got a pack of safety pins from my local dollar store. You can get them from your dollar store, your arts and crafts store, your fabric store. I just wanted gold pins, and the dollar store had a mixed pack, and they came in like different sizes. And I was just like, yeah, I want to put these pins in the hair. I thought it was such a cute little edgy touch. You guys could add rhinestones, any type of gems. Like, I just thought it was so fun to just dress up the halo braid. So hopefully you guys think it's cute too. And if you don't, it's a-okay, because I thought it was cute and I still think it's cute. And there's really no rhyme or reason. Just place them wherever you want to, whatever feels right to you. Do it up. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for still loving me. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video, whatever you feel. And I'll definitely be back with another one.